You've heard about ChatGPT. It's really simple to get started. I'm going to show you how. The first thing, you will need to go to chat.openai.com, click sign up, go through the process of creating an account. Once you've created an account, some places that you need to understand about the interface are, first of all, this is where you type the chat prompt, and this is where you start new conversations. So if I said, what are the best cyber security jobs? If I can spell cybersecurity correctly, press enter. So this is the conversation. So everything that I type here is going to be based on the current conversation. If I go and I click new chat, it'll create a new conversation. And if I ask a follow-up to this question, it will not understand it because it is a separate chat. So keep in mind that every chat is it's like a conversation between you and another person. So now that it's giving me this, I can essentially tell it stuff like, write this like in fewer letters. Okay, so you saw it even change the title here. So I can say, make this more concise, or I can say, which pays the most. So now it's keeping everything in context, and it's going to communicate based on what was previously said. Now, when I want to change topics, remember, the AI is keeping in context what you've done. So if it's something that's totally different, or if you literally want to start the same conversation over, then you create a new chat from the left side. So we'll let it finish. But as you can see, this is pretty interesting. So if you want to make the big money in cybersecurity, then you probably want to be a CISO, okay? Pen testers make good, directive security and stuff like that. So that's really, and this is really true information. So if I come here and I said, which is the best, which is the highest paying, then remember, this is a completely new conversation. And so now it doesn't have a clue what we just discussed in a previous conversation. So that's it. And the final thing is, in order to be a true ChatGPT wizard, change it to dark mode. So anyway, I hope this video was helpful. You can use this in every area of life. This is the future. Google was a thing. It changed our life. This is the next evolution. Don't fight it, accept it, learn it, understand it, and integrate it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.